Hello, welcome to Crituc Usa. A futuristic, heavily modified red Isuzu SUV stands out as a bold and stunning creation, blending aggressive design with next-level off-road capability. Captured in a modern studio with professional lighting, every curve and edge of the vehicle screams performance and luxury. The matte red finish combined with matte black accents and subtle chrome touches gives the SUV a fierce yet sophisticated appearance. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of power and presence. The wide body kit gives the SUV a planted and muscular stance, while the oversized off-road tires with deep tread promise incredible grip and durability on any terrain. The custom alloy wheels are designed with a sporty aesthetic, adding to the SUV's visual appeal and reinforcing its rugged performance profile. The high ground clearance not only supports off-road adventures but also adds a dominating look to the overall build. At the front, the bold grille design commands attention. Flanked by sharp LED headlights and unique DRLs, the front end looks like it's ready to charge ahead. A custom front bumper with integrated LED light bars enhances visibility and style, making it look like a vehicle straight out of a sci-fi movie. The tinted windows complement the futuristic look and add a layer of privacy and mystique. Every element of this modified Isuzu has been crafted with precision. It's not just about aggressive looks, it's about creating a harmonious blend of strength, luxury, and innovation. Whether you take it through city streets or off-road trails, this SUV delivers both performance and presence in equal measure. If you love futuristic car builds, bold SUV designs, and automotive content that goes beyond the ordinary, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We bring you the best of concept cars, custom modifications, and next-gen automotive experiences, and your support keeps us going.